So tell us about the book festival which will be happening next week.
Government of India, Education Ministry, a National Book Trust have interested us, Lokmanya Cultural Foundation, to organize book festival in Goa. Starting from 4th February, 5 days up to 8th, with the help of Goa government. So it will be first festival, large scale, 200 stalls, book stalls are there, and expected visitors more than 2 lakhs. So one can browse and buy books, their choice. Lakhs of books will be available in Indian languages as well as foreign languages, so that one can see book festival in Goa. Along with book festival, literary festival. Authors, they write books. One can meet authors and have discussion, panel discussion with them. More than 40 literary figures, they are coming from all over India. Children's special corner will be there, and children can game and storytelling persons are invited in Goa. There will be special children's corner. Food festival. One can enjoy Goan cuisine and other type of Indian cuisine is available for their taste and need. And moreover, cultural orchestra, music, dance will be there. One festival, 5 festivals included. Goa is known for festivals. Goa is Rome of East. Goa is India South Kashi, and religious harmony. Peaceful Goa is liked by all over the world. Goa is on tourist map of world, so that festivals, big festivals like Diwali, Christmas festival, largest carnival, and Chigmotsav, Ganeshotsav, Shiva Jayanti Utsav, and number of temple Utsav, church Utsav, and palace, Adil Shah's palace, former assembly, where it's situated. So, number of people from other countries, those are present in India. Carnival time, Chigmotsav, February will be crowded, and those can visit Goa festival. Ravi Shankar Prasad has given then Chief Minister Parrikar permanent venue film festival, and Hero Group Chairman Sunil Khan Munjal Serendipity Festival, and after that we are coming with the National Book Trust and Government of India Education Ministry book festival in large scale. One should feel that it's my own festival. so that people will be more interested in book reading. Instead of reading from screen, they should turn to reading with books. Books knowledge, and books give life enjoyment. That is the necessary of Goa's today.
So only as far as this book festival is concerned, we also see in the market that some e-books are also available. So will there be any e-books available in the for this festival?
No, e-books will not be available. One should that is available elsewhere, and we are cultivating habit of children to read books on paper.
Okay.
One can read only in the library. One can read mobile, and we want to have readership with the books. I visited Frankfurt, largest book fair, in 1996. At present, New Delhi will be largest book festival. Calcutta is known for book festival. Jaipur is known for literary festival. Likewise, when Yuvraj Malik has joined as a director, he has made number of cities included in Pune Pustak Mahotsav, Ahmedabad Book Festival, Nagpur Book Festival. Delhi is the largest, that is 10th January to 20th. Sambalpur, Odisha, Dharmendra Pradhan's constituency, which held book festival. Now it's going on, and Goa will be there, and April Dehradun Book Festival. So India is full of knowledge, and population will get to know good things.
Sir, who will be the chief guest for this festival?
Chief Minister will inaugurate, Pramod Sawant, and Goa Chief Minister. And we have invited several dignitaries, including Governor of Goa, and Governor of Kerala, Rajendra Arlekar. He has promised us to be there. And several ministers from Maharashtra and Goa will participate.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
खंयचोय फंक्शन वा फेस्टिवल लागीं पावलो की आमच्या चेडवांच्या तकलेन एकूच विचार येता की कपडे खंयच्यान हाडपाचे. ताचेच सोल्युशन म्हणून आमी तुमकां घेवन आयलात प्रयाग फॅशन्स.
At Prayag Fashions, we bring a wide variety of Indian wear for women. जावं ते cord sets, जावं ते 2-piece sets, जावं ते 3-piece sets. We have everything for occasional wear, for daily office wear, or for any celebrations. In Indian wear, we have one of the best options in town.
आता वेळ करू नकात. विजिट करात प्रयाग फॅशन्स. शॉप नंबर SH4 एक्सेल रेसिडेन्सी नियर स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया ऑपोजिट अपोलो फार्मसी, कारंजालेम, पणजी, गोवा. प्रयाग, सेलिब्रेट युअर स्टाईल द इंडियन वे.